Hi guys, today we are discussing the hair fall solutions in young ladies, and we will divide it into five scenarios that hair fall in very young ladies like in teenagers, young ladies in early 20s, like young ladies in mid 20s, then married life, hair fall in early married life, hair fall in prepartum, partum and postpartum scenarios, and hair fall in childbearing age, and hair fall in like early 40s, and then we will be discussing in young ladies like in early 50s when they go into post-menopausal scenarios. So we will be discussing in different scenarios like what are the causes of hair fall in like teenagers. That those are different in early 20s. Those are different, and in early married life, the causes of hair fall in young ladies are different. In mid 30s or early 40s, the causes are very different, and in menopausal females, the causes of hair fall are different. But I would let you know you should go to the doctor who is knowing all this about hair fall solutions in young ladies